Okay, the new fork tube. So let's just open this up. Brand new. All right. Do not clamp this. This chrome is a hardened type chrome, and the tolerances are very precise. Now, so what I do, I put the bolt back in. And then that allows me to put it in the vise, holding with the bolt head. Now, this is the new seal, and not sure if you can make it out there, but on this side it's got a like a recess, but nothing in there. And on the opposite side, it's got a recess with a spring. Now, first off, what we do, so that's the new seal. You can use just some transmission oil for the tube to give it some lubricant. Now, okay, seal in. Try not to make the thing dirty. Then that seems, just check for grit and all that, so I'm going to give it a bit of a wipe. Then ring and just follow the reverse process. When I had a bit of trouble with the other one, or the last section, was that other collar, or the into there, and the next one. It's actually not a bad sort of job. It's not too difficult. What is difficult is, or not so much difficult, but the now this was the section, and I'm just going to check. It does feel a bit gritty in there, so I'm just going to clean that out a little bit just with a rag. Just want to, and then I want to check the fit. As I was saying, the tolerances are very tight, so you want to check how this is going to fit on. As I was saying, this is extremely tight. The last one I had to tap on, but you want to get it as straight as possible before you do. Let me just try. You see there. There. So it's come on reasonably well. There. Perfect. Now circle it. Now again, same process. If you let it go, it'll spring off and disappear. Now, I'm just looking at it. I don't think it's going to matter. It's a little bit not in line. You can see. The problem with these is they're very brittle. So if you try and force it back, you could snap it. And as I was saying before, the problem with this material, trying to get another one of those is going to be extremely difficult. I think once it gets held in, it's not going to be a problem. Now, it's on, I just got to tap it down a bit. All right, that's in. That's in. All right, I think it's on. Give it a little bit of a frag one. Very interesting. This is the first time I've done one, by the way. So, the main thing with this, any of these jobs on motorbikes, is just to give it a try. If you've got the information, you can see how someone else has done it, which is the reason why I'm putting this video up. And you're patient, you're not in a rush, it can be done. So that's that. Now I'm just going to go on to polishing the other tube or the other case, and then that'll go back in, which I'll show you the next video once I've finished polishing. I've already shown you how to polish the polishing process with the last one. I'll just be redoing that.